Number box is 7, 8, 9, 10. Number box 1, and another one is 2, and another one is 3. That's me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time to call number 5. You can count on us. We're number box.
Oh, Reggie, when it's your turn, just some cheese, and Hannah will take a picture. Like this. Cheese! Then it pops out here. My turn. Cheese! Bread, cheese, bread, cheese sandwich. Cheese! 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 Cheese!
That's about close. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cheese! My turn. Oops. Sorry. Cheese, not snails. No, I almost
Sorry. That's an idea.
Oh, that feels so much better. No more sneezing. I'm cured.
What? Come on. This isn't right.
We've got the hiccups. It's okay. I think it stopped. I've got to get rid of these hiccups.
Oh, I know how to do hiccups. You stand on your head.
I think it's working.
Hang on, another one. Drink a glass of water backwards.
Harder, then it sounds.
Need help.
Have no fear. Dr. Hook is here. Ah,
He's got hiccups.
I know what to do. Dr. Hook! So, what usually works?
Don't worry. Yes. Lucky, 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 lucky.